No coding, no PMP, no experience needed. PMI CPMAI is open to almost everyone. One rule you cannot skip. You must be at least 18 years old. That is the only age requirement. Skip the prep course and you cannot book the exam. It is that simple. The course unlocks everything. Members pay $699 USD. Non-members pay $899 USD. Joining PMI first saves you real money. PMI membership costs around $139 USD a year. That alone saves you $200 on the exam bundle. Do the math first. 120 questions total, but only 100 actually count. 20 are just test questions that do not affect your score. 160 minutes. No scheduled breaks. Plan your energy before you sit down, or it will run out fast. Closed book. Scenario-based questions. And you see pass or fail the moment you submit. Step 1. Go to PMI.org. Create your free myPMI account and buy the PMI CPMAI bundle. You have exactly 12 months from purchase day. Miss that window and you lose everything. Start early. The prep course takes 21 to 30 hours. Self-paced. Finish it and the exam slot unlocks automatically. The course covers all 6 phases of the CPMAI methodology, responsible AI principles, and real scenario practice. Once you finish the course, you get an eligibility ID. Use that code to book your exam at Pearson VUE. Cancel before 30 days, no fee. Inside 30 days, $70. Inside 48 hours, you lose it all. 2 ways to take the exam: at a Pearson VUE test center or online from home with a live proctor watching. Test center option. Arrive 30 minutes early, bring your government ID, and lock everything else away. Online option. Clear your space completely, run the system test, and have your ID ready for the camera scan. PMI may audit your application at random. If selected, stay calm. You just need to send your supporting documents. You get 90 days to submit your documents. PMI takes 5 to 7 business days to verify. Keep everything honest and you will be fine. The moment you submit, the screen tells you, pass or fail. No waiting, no email, right there. Did not pass? You can retake up to 3 times within 1 year, but each retake costs extra. Study first. PMI recommends 30 days before you retake. Use that time well. Next clip covers exactly what to review. Buy the bundle. Complete the course. Book via Pearson VUE. Show up, submit, done. That is the full exam journey. Passing the exam is only the beginning. AI moves fast. Your cert has to keep up. Here is how. Your PMI CPMAI cert is valid for 3 years. After that, it expires, unless you take action before the clock runs out. CCR stands for Continuing Certification Requirements. It is the PMI system that keeps your credentials current and credible. To keep your cert alive, you need 30 PDUs over 3 years. 1 hour of learning equals 1 PDU. Simple math. You cannot earn PDUs randomly. PMI requires 3 categories: ways of working, power skills, and business acumen. Ways of working needs at least 4 PDUs. Think agile, design thinking, or any AI project lifecycle method you study. Power skills needs at least 4 PDUs. Leadership, communication, emotional intelligence, the human side of managing AI projects. Business acumen needs at least 4 PDUs. Strategy, ROI, industry knowledge, aligning your AI project to what the business actually needs. The remaining 18 PDUs are flexible. Spread them across the 3 categories and however suits your learning style best. At least 18 of your 30 PDUs must come from education. Courses, webinars, podcasts, books, all count toward your total. Online courses, live webinars, and even podcasts like AI Today all qualify. 1 hour of listening or learning is 1 PDU. Reading books and self-study count too. Any material related to AI project management qualifies. Track your hours carefully. Here is a bonus most people miss. The 21 PDUs from your prep course can renew your other PMI certifications too. Giving back is the second PDU group. You earn by contributing to the profession, but it is capped at 12 PDUs total. Working as an AI project manager counts as PDUs. Up to 8 PDUs per cycle. Your daily job is already building your renewal. Writing blogs, making videos, teaching, presenting at events. All of these earn giving back PDUs. Share what you know. Volunteering for professional organizations also earns PDUs. Give your time to the community and your renewal takes care of itself. Reporting your PDUs takes 6 steps. It is all done online through the PMI system. Easier than it sounds. Step 1, go to pmi.org and log into your myPMI account. Then head straight to your dashboard. Step 2, open the CCRS TO, that is the Continuing Certification Requirements System. Click Report PDUs and you are in. Step 3, select the activity category. Course, webinar, workshop, working as a practitioner. Pick the one that matches what you did. Still step 3, fill in the provider name, activity title, start date, and end date. Be accurate. This is what PMI checks if you get audited. Step 4, enter how many PDUs go to ways of working, power skills, and business acumen. Distribute carefully. Every number counts. Before you hit submit, double check every field. Once it is sent, you cannot edit. Review first, then submit with confidence. Step 5, save your proof. PMI may audit your PDU claims. If you have no evidence, you risk losing your reported hours entirely. What counts as proof? Confirmation emails, course completion certificates, event attendance records. Save them all in one folder. Step 6, once you hit 30 PDUs, PMI sends you a renewal link. Click it, pay the renewal fee, and your cert resets for 3 more years. Important, the renewal fee is separate from your annual PMI membership fee. 2 different payments, do not confuse them. Payment confirmed, your PMI CPMAI cert automatically renews for another 3 years. The cycle starts fresh and you begin earning PDUs again. Miss your 30 PDUs and your cert gets suspended for up to 12 months. Not expired yet, but you are on the clock. Act fast. Still no action after suspension? Your cert expires permanently. Do not let it get to that point. Start your PDUs early. Do not wait until year 2 or 3. Start earning PDUs the month you pass. 10 PDUs a year keeps everything stress-free. Cramming 30 PDUs into your final year is stressful and risky. Spread them out. Your future self will thank you for it. Best strategy, combine education and giving back. Learn something new each month and teach or share what you know. PDUs build naturally. 30 PDUs, 3 years, education plus giving back. Report on CCRS, pay the fee, stay certified. That is the full renewal journey. Passing the exam is one big sprint. Maintaining it is a slow, steady marathon. Both matter, but the marathon is where most people fall behind. Managers, consultants, team leads, business analysts. If your work touches AI projects in any way, this cert was built for you. AI management skills are in high demand. This cert signals to employers you can lead AI projects responsibly. That is a real career advantage. Mistake 1, buying the exam bundle before joining PMI. That single step costs you $200 extra. Join first, then buy. Mistake 2, skipping the system test before your online exam. A bad connection on exam day can cost you your entire attempt. Test early. Mistake 3, buying the bundle and then doing nothing. You have 12 months. Let that window expire and you lose everything you paid for. Mistake 4, putting all your PDUs into one category. Each of the 3 needs at least 4. Ignore that rule and renewal gets blocked. Mistake 5, deleting your proof after reporting PDUs. If PMI audits you with no evidence, those hours simply do not count. Today, join PMI, buy the bundle, start the course, book your exam, set a PDU tracker. 5 steps. Start now. AI is reshaping every industry right now. The professionals who lead that change need credentials to match. Are you ready to be one of them? Every expert started exactly where you are now. One decision, one step. Your PMI CPMAI journey starts the moment you choose to begin. If this helped your PMI CPMAI journey, please like, share, and subscribe. More guides are coming your way.